Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I have a Stitch Fix for you guys. Before I do that, a couple people had wanted me to update them on the Physicians Formula BB Cream Diamond Perfector. I don't quite know how it's coming across on camera, but I can tell you putting it on in the mirror, it seems to have next to no coverage. My first swipe, I saw all my redness, all my imperfections. I have layered about 3 layers on. So not a fan. I'm used to one little swipe and I've got coverage. I'm good. I am not a person who wants to layer things on. So it does not feel like makeup, which is good, but I want some coverage. Otherwise, what's the point? So this is kind of an instant no thank you for me. All right. I have no idea what is up with my bundle, but things were outside of my bundle. I will tell you, for Stitch Fix, my new favorite way to get a fix is to pick one item. Even still on their website, the wording makes it sound like you are foregoing a preview. 2 fixes in a row, that is not the case. I get my same kind of automated robot preview, and then I get a stylist done preview. So that is my new favorite way, and I can't imagine doing it any other way, especially since I've been getting a preview. I will say I'm excited about a couple things, and then I have a bone to pick with a couple things. But anyway, I'm not quite sure why I picked this, other than I want to see the quality of the item. Now, unfortunately, they are hooked together, so that's going to be interesting on the try-on. They had offered in my preview 2 tops for the price of 1, but in reality, I think just 2 tops for the price of 2 tops. It's a navy blue, very soft, V-neck, very soft. I like the softness, and then a white one. These are $59. So in reality, I could get a white t-shirt and a navy t-shirt at Walmart for probably 10 bucks total, if not for sure less than 20 bucks. My wardrobe often suffers from layering pieces, so I thought these might be nice. I totally get that the majority of you guys basically don't think white looks good on me. I also don't think white looks good on me, but it is a nice layering piece occasionally. Again, I kind of regret choosing this because I really think $30 per t-shirt is not a good deal. I will say they are very, very soft. If the cut and style was correct, I could be persuaded. But again, I picked this, so this is kind of my fault. I added to my box a pair of Cosmic Blue Love jeans. At this point, they're my only jeans I even want to buy, wear, even think about. I'm a little concerned because they're supposed to be 11.5 inch rise. And the last time in my last fix, I tried some jeans that were 12 inch rise, and that was no good. But these are Cosmic Blue Love. They're Brigitte pull on slim pin tuck boot cut, size 14. So they do have a pin tuck. I do like that they are a regular, no fluffy stuff down here. Like almost all my jeans, I feel like a lot of my jeans have that rough hem edge. I love these. I hope they fit. They're a 31 inch inseam, which should work. I think 32 is better. I really hope these work. They kind of are like the no waistband kind of thing. So I'm interested to see how that feels. Like instead, like it's just kind of like sewn in. But I really like these. I don't have any with that pin tuck stripe thing. I love that they're a darker denim with no distressing. So I hope these work, and I will be happy as a clam. They are $108. For me personally, I struggle with pants. So these are worth every penny to me if they fit like the normal Cosmic Blue Love. Now, here is my bone to pick, and I'm going to write to somebody. So on Stitch Fix, they have a feature where you can talk to a stylist. Maybe 2 or 3 months ago, I wrote into that stylist. I said, hey, can you put a permanent note on my account? I do not want light colors. And I listed off examples. On any feedback I ever give, I say I don't want light colors. On my last fix, I listed colors I like. In my style profile, I have white X'd out. I have any light colors X'd out. I'm frustrated that they sent basically a pale pink top. It wouldn't matter if I loved the top, I wouldn't keep it because I don't feel comfortable in light colors. And I don't know how to get that through their head. So I'm frustrated. Anyway, this is the 9 Britain Luna blouse in light pink. It's okay as its own. I would not be excited about it necessarily, even if it was a different color. It looks large and blousy. It also feels like a thick, rougher polyester. So I'm not a fan in general. Like it just seems kind of boring. And again, I'm not into this thicker, rougher polyester. And this is $45. So I'll try it on for you guys, but this is an automatic no. I believe this is the same dress or very similar to what he sent. That was that yellow color. I'm also kind of annoyed that they sent the dress again, although I did like that dress better than I thought I would. But this is brown. I don't tend to like brown. I understand that brown is the color of the year right now. I don't necessarily mind the print. There is lots of gold thread. So I don't know. I'm interested to try this on. Even though I liked that dress better than I thought I would, it was also shorter than I would like. So I think this is the same dress, but different pattern or very similar. 9 Britain extra large tailor dress. And this is $78. So is it bad? No. Like, it's not bad. I don't mind the pattern. And it's like black and brown with gold thread. We will see. I will try it on. I will give it an honest shot. But for $78, it would literally have to just knock my socks off. And tan is not my favorite color. So, in the sale, they had pajamas on sale. I probably should have pulled the trigger and bought them. It seems like, to me, pajamas are relatively new to Stitch Fix. Who knows? They could have had them for 10 years. So, I put on my list that I wanted to try pajamas. And I wanted bright colors. Now I see, I'm thinking they sent me Christmas pajamas. Maybe not. I should not judge them. I will say the coloring is right as long as this is not Christmas. I wanted to see the quality, how soft they were, what did they feel like. So these fit the bill, and I guess, yeah, they're Christmas. I will say they're subtle Christmas. We'll see. So they, this is on sale, I believe. So these are the, Hue short sleeve fashion cotton long pajamas. $41. I think they're normally $65. A lot of the Stitch Fix pajamas I've seen are $65. So it is a black t-shirt. I'm going to be honest. This is not as soft as I would like for a pajama. Is it scratchy and terrible? No. But I feel like the pajamas at Walmart are softer. I'm trying to find the fabric tag, because it's saying cotton pajamas. And if it's 100% cotton, I would be worried that they would shrink. 60% cotton, 40% modal. I know some people would love that because I think those are two fabrics that are nicer. I'm sort of like not into cotton because it just is not as soft. And I don't know if modal shrinks. I can Google that, of course. So I guess I'm happy they sent them because I wanted to just see the quality because they have had some cute prints. Now, these are softer than the t-shirt. These are cute. And if you're not looking at the details, you could probably miss that they are Christmas. But they're Christmas. And they have lots of drinks, upside down drinks on them. I am not a big drinker. I'm not opposed to necessarily wearing drinks on my pants, whatever. But they are candy canes. There are candy canes wherever they are. I can't see them. But there are candy canes. And there are holly sprigs all over. Not a fan. And if they're Christmas pajamas, I think they should be way more discounted than $41. I highly doubt I'm going to keep these for $41. I'm happy they sent me a pair. I wanted to explore the quality. I really appreciate, I don't know, Walmart's value for the price is phenomenal. I like their pajamas. I've had good luck with their pajamas over the years. So I don't think I'm going to be persuaded to buy Stitch Fix pajamas. So at least we know that for sure. Now this is cotton and rayon. Both of those shrink separately. I don't know how they do together. This is a much softer fabric. I also wanted to see how the extra large fits because in most store-bought pajamas, I'm a large. So anyway, and there's like a stain. I don't know, it looks like somebody almost drilled on it. So we will try these out. I'm a little bummed that they are Christmas pajamas. I am hoping the pants fit and I don't have to worry about any of the other clothes. Fingers crossed. Let's get to the try on. All right, let's start these things off, or the try on off, with probably the best item, and these are the pants. I am pretty sure they are keepers. I really like them. I love the Cosmic Blue Love fabric. I like the softer fabric. So it's like a cotton, it's like a blend. And there's like 3% elastane. I really like these. They fit really well. If I have any concern, it's that does the stripe, does the pin stripe or whatever it's called, the pin tuck thing, I don't know, does it angle? But otherwise, these fit really good. I know I say the same thing every time. If you're like me and you have a big stomach and a smaller thigh and butt, I would give Cosmic Blue Love a try. They fit my stomach, they fit my butt, they fit my thighs. So these are staying. I can't imagine that they wouldn't. Again, I need to look in the mirror in 2 seconds, but the pin stripe, does it turn? That would be my only concern. Otherwise, I really, really like them. I don't know how much you can even see the stripe in the camera. I can't see the camera very well, but I like these. These are super comfy. I will definitely be wearing these to work. I think the 31 inch is just fine. So I like these. These are keeping, or these are staying. And I'm pretty sure, like 99% sure, nothing else is gonna stay. But I will try it all on for you. I encourage you guys to try on everything they send you. You never know. It might knock your socks off. So I'll be back with the next piece. All right, we are back with that pale pink top. It is, I assume, is meant to be way oversized. So it's just way too big. You can see my stomach pant line in here. I don't like the color. I don't mind the neckline. I don't mind the sleeve. But it is just, it's oversized. And I think it's supposed to be oversized. So I don't know. I think I could size down to a large. I don't like it. It irritates me that I have tried to put it everywhere, what colors I like and don't like. So I'm frustrated that they even sent a top this color. This is the 9 Britain Runa blouse, $45. I don't like it. Even if it was the right color, it's way too big. So it is going back for sure. All right, I tried the white one on just in case you were interested in these 2-packs to see if the white is see-through. It doesn't seem see-through, which is nice. I will say it is very soft. It is annoying to have to try it on with this. I do like the neckline. I like that it's a little bit different than a standard t-shirt. It is more of a rounded hem. I don't like that. I like a shorter, a rounded hem is fine, but I would like it to be 2 to 3 inches shorter. These are super soft. I will definitely say that. I don't think the cut is bad. I also don't think it's anything extra special to write home about. I personally don't think these are worth $30 a piece. Again, very soft. The white is not see-through, but I took a gamble. Again, I think I was interested just because I don't have layering pieces. Very soft, like the neckline, and that's about it. And I don't think they're worth 30 bucks. So let's try on the dress next. All right, I am back with the dress. I do think it's the same dress. For a $78 dress, this is just for the birds. When I first put it on, this is all showing everything. There is a tiny little clasp that honestly, the one side looks like it's gonna fall apart. And if this is not clasped, it is literally showing everything. I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing this out because pretty much like it's wide open. Like even up here, it's like a little bit open, but like I would think when if I sit down and this folds open, you're seeing my bra and everything. I like the sleeves. This band is probably tighter than it should be. Personally, I feel like it's too short. I think because the ruffle, it kind of hides it and makes it seem longer. I always wear biker shorts underneath. I question whether my biker shorts would be fully covered. So I feel a little exposed. Again, kind of like when I tried it on before, the dress fits better than I thought. I like it better than I thought. But this whole bit here, this for a $78 dress, this needs like full on, to me, stitching. What's the point? And it's just very flopsy. I'm not a fan, but you guys know by now I'm more conservative. I don't want to be showing things. Again, better than I thought. I'm a little disappointed they sent it again. I sent it back. I don't know. Like, I'm just not a fan for this expensive of a dress. And I really think this, if you just pulled a little bit, the threads are going to come out. So this dress is for sure going back, which I sort of already anticipated. Let's try on the pajamas. All right, I am back with the pajamas by Hue. We have Spirit over here. Absolutely, in my opinion, not worth the full price, $65. The cotton top to me is scratchy. I don't like it. I want super soft pajamas. I definitely probably could not size down in the top, but they come as a set. These I could definitely probably be a large in. I will say, just in case you're interested in pajamas, the elastic is not very elastic. Like you know, if you had 3-year-olds tugging on you, these could probably fall down pretty quick. The pants are way more comfy than the top. The top is just itchy. I cannot wait to get it off. I don't think these are worth $41. I think it's a little lame. They're sending Christmas pajamas in January, even if the Christmas is kind of subtle. Happy I tried the pajamas. Definitely, they are not for me, not worth the price. There's like a stitching up here. Something up here on the shoulder is just so itchy. So I'm going to keep the pants. I really like the pants. I'm pretty much all in for anything Cosmic Blue Love pants. So it was a success overall, even though nothing else worked, which is fine since the pants are $108. That works out. Let me know what your favorite item was. Fingers crossed you guys like the pants. I will definitely not cut the tags off until you guys talk to me about the pants. But I do, unless you guys all tell me you hate the pants are going to stay, and I'll be happy with the pants. Anyway, thank you so much. I hope you're having a great January, and I will talk to you soon.